warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Wazwan style chicken Shami Kebab at home. Though a popular snack throughout Indian subcontinent, but in Kashmir Shami Kebabs are served on Wazwan platter. Shami Kebabs are crisp fried patties possessing a delectable taste and superb mouthfeel. Let's get started. For making these kebabs, I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken. I have taken chicken with bones intact because bones lend the richness. You can take boneless also, but I prefer with bones. I have taken 300 grams of split Bengal gram or chana dal. I have soaked it for a few hours. And I have taken few tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander. Salt 2 tablespoons or according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 black cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of coriander or you can take coriander powder also, 6 to 8 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 chilies or you can take a mix of chili powder and chilies. I take a mix of chili powder and chilies, and 1 egg and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I have taken around 1 cup of oil for frying, and we need 1 tablespoon while cooking chicken. Now moving to cooking. Now in a cooker I have taken 1.5 glass of water and added all the whole spices and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt here I am adding 1 tablespoon, and chili 1 teaspoon, and a tablespoon of oil. So let it boil. Once it starts to boil, then I'll add chicken and soak dal. Make sure not to add too much of water or else it will turn too slimy. Then I'll cook it up to 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, I'll open the lid. So then now I'll keep it on low flame till all the gravy is absorbed. Here you can see almost the gravy is absorbed. Now all the gravy is absorbed and it's dry. Now I'll turn off the flame and let it cool down by spreading it on a plate. Once it has cooled down, now I will start removing bones and spices like cinnamon stick and cardamoms. We have to remove all the bones. It's a bit hassle, but bones give a good taste. Now I have taken out all the bones from it. Now I'll transfer it to a food processor. And I'm adding green coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, garam masala and salt. Here we can adjust. And you can add more chilies if you want it a bit spicy. And 1 egg, and I'll blend it. We don't have to blend it to a paste. Shami kebabs are a bit fibrous. So I'll blend it up to 4 to 5 pulses for a few minutes, and it depends on the type of food processor you are using. Now the kebab mixture is ready. Here you can see they are fibrous. So now I'll shape them into round shape. Shami kebabs are round shaped. Though it's a large quantity, so I will freeze a batch of kebabs. Now I am placing a butter paper on it, and I'll place other kebabs on it, and they are ready to go in the freezer. So here you can see our kebabs are ready. So I will fry a batch of them and others I'll keep in the freezer. Now I have heated up oil in a pan and placed kebabs in it. Make sure oil is hot, and we have to fry kebabs on both sides till they are brown and crisp on surface. Now the kebabs are fried properly, so I'll take them out from oil and place on kitchen towel so that they will absorb the excess oil. The tongue-pleasing, aromatic and flavorful kebabs are ready. Give them a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.